Eto na. Mga pangkin, I have an important update. Now, before I continue, again, I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert in economics and in finance and geopolitics whatsoever. Alright, so I called 20,000 way back March. I said it will go, it has a possibility to go 20,000. And it happened. Then recently, sabi ko, possible siya na bumaba ng 13,000. And sinabi ko yung reason dun sa YouTube video ko. If hindi mo pa napanood yun, click the link in my video. Now, 2 more reasons why possible na bumaba pa rin yung market is, first is yung possible na recession na mangyayari. Okay? Kung mangyayari. Second is yung threat. Okay? Parang ticking time about USDT. If you haven't heard that, Google mo na lang. It's about the dollar reserve ng USDT. So those factors are still possible to happen. But take note, sabi ko nga nung isang video ko, nag-i-start na ako mag-accumulate ngayon. Bakit? Eto na. So kung maalala yung previous content ko, siguro early this year or last year yon, sabi ko nga na most of the time, retailers are wrong. Yung mga whales, usually is they go the other way around. So mapapansin mo, if sobrang daming FUD, sobrang daming nag-shorting, usually pinapump ng whales yan. Also, the other way around. Kapag maraming naka-long, maraming bullish, nagbebenta yung mga whales to liquidate the retailers. Now, maraming talks ngayon or opinions na matutuloy yung recession. Pero again, just like yung logic na sinabi ko kanina, sometimes or most of the time, hindi yun nangyayari. At pakabila yun nangyayari. Same with what happened last year. It's September. Nung may talks or parang imminent shutting down yung US government. If that happens, sabi nila, magkakrash yung market. Nangyari ba siya? The US government was able to do their magic, okay, para hindi yung mangyari. And ano nangyari ng September? Yun yung time na yun. And then, since hindi siya nangyari, boom, umakyat. Nag-all-time high pa tayo. Now here, everyone's discussing about the upcoming recession. Now, I'm not saying that it's not gonna happen. But again, I'm just saying, don't bet that it's gonna happen 100%. Right, so at the end of the day, again, I'm kind of neutral at this point. Okay, but again, your money, your call. Trade at your own risk, do your own research. This is not a financial advice, and that's it for now.